Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I'll show you how to use Windows 11 focus sessions for deep work. So guys, you've probably had this happen. I've had that happen to me for sure. When you want to just do some work, right? Do some productivity, maybe edit videos, or maybe, do some spreadsheets. I mean, everyone just has a different job, but you probably had some distractions, maybe someone writing to you. You've got these pop-ups on here on the left, on the right, on the bottom right of your screen, popping up all the time. So you actually can bypass this quite easily by using the focus mode. So in order to set this up, you can just go ahead and open up your settings. After that, in the settings, just go to your search and type in focus. And there you go to focus settings. And as you can see, we have here the explanation. So you guys make sure that this is the one. Focus sessions help you get more done by reducing distractions. When you start a session, these settings will apply for set amounts of time. So pretty much, when you start your focus session, let me just start it. As you can see now, it shows me that the focus period is now activated. Your notifications, pop-ups, Windows update notifications and all that stuff will be disabled. Of course, not permanently, just temporarily. And you can just do your work, not worry about that and not have your focus shifted all the time to messages and WhatsApp and, email and Slack, all that stuff. And when you're ready, you can either pause it or just go 3 dots or you can just go ahead and just stop it, right? So you go here, stop focus session. And after you stop it, your system will go into its default state and your notifications will be, of course, back. So as you can see, you can also customize it. Hide the flashing on taskbar, turn on do not disturb. You can actually turn it on here as well by this bell right here. Just enable it like this and it's on, but focus mode enables that automatically. So that is it. Enjoy your focus and concentration. If this video helped, like and subscribe.